Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: Cpanel login, the script path, and desired schedule. First, log into Cpanel and open Cron jobs. Once inside, choose the correct email to receive output, then paste the full script path. Make sure the file is executable with chmod +x if needed. If your command needs PHP, include the interpreter path. For example, /usr/bin/php/home/user/public HTML/cron. PHP. This starts the actual job creation. Now set the timing and enter the command. Choose a preset like once per day for daily tasks, or select custom and fill minute, hour, day, month, and weekday fields. For example, 02 *** runs at 2:00 a.m. daily. In the command box, enter the full command: /usr/bin/php/home/user/public HTML/cron. php/dev/null2 and 1 to suppress output, or omit redirection to capture logs. Make sure you tested the command manually in a shell so the cron will run reliably once saved. Save the cron job and confirm it appears in the cron jobs list with the right schedule and command. Once done, monitor the first run by checking the email you set or by creating a small log file in the command, for example /home/user/cron. Log. If it does not run, make sure file permissions allow execution, the path to interpreter is correct, and environment variables are not assumed. As a troubleshooting tip, run the exact command from terminal to see errors. Adjust paths, shebangs, or switch to absolute paths as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.